Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose between a money market and savings account using Nerdwallet. Are you trying to decide between a savings account and a money market account? The two seem similar, but there are key differences that can impact your financial goals. Let's break it down. First, understand the basic differences. Savings accounts are straightforward. You earn interest and you can access your money when needed. For money market accounts, they offer interest too, but often come with check writing abilities and sometimes debit cards. Let's compare interest rates. So you can use Nerdwallet to check current APY. Money market accounts tend to offer slightly higher rates, especially if you're depositing a larger amount. For step 3 is to look at minimum balance requirements. So savings accounts often have low or no minimums, whereas money market accounts may require $1,000 or more to open or to avoid fees. NerdWallet lets you filter accounts by minimum deposits. Step 4, consider how you're going to use the account. If you want to park money and forget it, a savings account may be better. If you want a bit more flexibility, like writing checks, then money market account offers that benefit. Step 5, let's check for fees and restrictions. So you want to look for monthly fees, withdrawal limits, and ATM access. NerdWallet displays all of this clearly for each account listing. Choosing between a money market and a savings account depends, of course, on your priorities. You can use Nerdwallet to compare features side by side and pick what fits your lifestyle and financial plans. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.